Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Monopoly and welcome to the Metaverse. So for today's video we are going to talk about everything that has happened in the past week with crypto, and as you can see by the screen, it is not looking too hot right now. Everything is dumping like bananas, just like every time I film a video. It's like a great opportunity to buy some chips and dip. Am I right? Yeah, as you can see right now, Bitcoin is currently hovering over just above $40,000, Ethereum just under 3,000, and USDC down as always with inflation. But we'll just take a look at the chart right here. Support level right here at 40, and if we actually check the 1 year, we're at like this $40,000 right here, another one right here, and right here. So pretty important level for most people, kind of like that psychological number of $40,000. For the first dip buying opportunity, I wanted to buy a Metaverse project coin, and the one I'm really pumped up for is the Sandbox. Season 2 is just around the corner, so I feel like this is something that's, just very strong long term. There was a lot of success with season 1. Very pumped up for season 2, and especially because I'm going to be doing some gameplay of that. It's $3.80 right now, and as you can see, it is down from an all-time high of $7 down to $3.80. So pretty good in my opinion, but as always, not financial advice. The second coin I got, Gala. Gala is another Metaverse project coin, more specifically towards the gaming aspect, AAA games, so kind of like the big name franchise games. And it's just kind of one that's been on my radar lately, and this is one that I thought was a good opportunity to purchase at the moment. Not financial advice. Gala is currently sitting at 30 cents and down from an all-time high of, I believe, 70 cents. Yep. So right there, been pretty good in my opinion, but just do your own research, do your own technical analysis. One of the things I want to talk about in the past week, so obviously as we can tell, the entire crypto market is kind of crashing. Reason why being there was an emergency meeting of the Fed this past Monday on Valentine's Day, and the other thing is Joe Biden's announcement in terms of crypto regulation, and you will most likely hear a quick update if you follow me on Twitter and Monopoly10. One thing I want to talk about this video is mainly just NFTs specifically, so kind of one of the ones that are on my radar right now, which drop on the floor of Pavia, but I believe that's just because they had a new wave of lands that were up for sale. The drop happened a couple days ago, so but I'm looking to get one of these pretty soon. I mention it in every single video. I want a Boss Cat Rocket Club so badly, and the floor price dropped like 1,000 ADA. It's still too pricey for me because I want to get into other projects and stuff like that, and this will kind of take a good chunk of my change, you know what I'm saying? Especially because they're having this Boss Planet sale that all the different aspects of the metaverse that they're creating, it's just very amazing. The land, they got these kind of like pixelized Minecraft avatars that are going to be going up pretty soon, and there's even a token associated with the planet. So that's this kind of project is going all out with the metaverse and NFT space, which I think is the reason why it's kind of at the top. One project that I'm kind of excited also as well in terms of more of like a passive income is Mutant Crocs and Mutant Toads. They're created by the same creator, if I'm not mistaken, and essentially what they're doing pretty soon on their website, they just announced on Twitter that they're going live soon with their 50% of marketplace revenue will be shared and distributed to all mutant holders. Like, we're literally talking about free Cardano just for holding these. Now how much? Well, that's dependent on how much volume is in their marketplace. This is the marketplace, epoch.art, going against competition with the JPEG store and cnft.io. In terms of which one I'm going to purchase, I am not sure. I put out a poll on Twitter because I want to let you guys decide which ones you think I should go for. You guys let me know. Do you want me to get a Mutant Toad or should I get a Mutant Croc? And I will announce it in the next video which one I decided to purchase. Oh, I forgot to mention, look at the land. Look at this beautiful map of Pavia. Really want to get some land around here in the center, and if not, then probably around here. But yeah, this is such a beautiful map. Metaverse is gonna be like the biggest thing ever. Do your own research, obviously. In my opinion, it is one of the best ways where you can get involved in crypto super early, just because it's still being under development. But as always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications to get notified whenever I post new videos. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one.